What is Forex? In simple terms, Forex is a global market that enables currency exchange at different exchange rates. The global stock market, known as Forex or FX, is the largest financial market in the world. The largest stock market in the world, the New York Stock Exchange or NYSE, trades approximately $22.4 billion every day. If we were to use the image of a monster to illustrate the size of the NYSE market, it would seem as such. However, if we compare this market to the Forex market, the result would be quite different. The Forex market operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and only closes during weekend holidays. Therefore, unlike other stock or securities markets, the Forex market does not close at the end of each business day, but rather only transfers transactions to other financial centers around the world. When traders in Sydney wake up from their sleep, the financial market day begins, and then it moves to Tokyo, London, Frankfurt, and finally to the New York market. AX Financial's content team.